Hello, I'm Dr. Prerna Khandelwal, IVF consultant, Progenesis Fertility Center. Today we are going to talk about IUI and its causes of failure. Now, what is IUI? So basically, IUI is a primary treatment that we give to any couple who has been planning to conceive since more than a year of their marriage, and they're not able to conceive. So this is one of the basic the first step of ART, where we assist the couple in planning the pregnancy. So how is IUI planned? We usually call the female on her day 2 or day 3 of your periods when we give her certain medications for her follicles to increase in size. This is something that we monitor during the serial ultrasound monitoring. When we call them, when we give the tablet, we see that how the follicles are increasing in size. And once it attains a specific size of maturity, which is beyond 19-20 millimeters, we give them a trigger shot, that is an injection for a follicle to rupture. Now, once that rupture of the follicle is documented on the sonography, that is then when we take the sample of husband semen samples, we process it in the lab. When the processed sample is taken in the tube, and the tube is inserted inside the uterine cavity where we release the sample. So this whole process is basically IUI, wherein what we want is like when the follicle ruptures, the egg must be released. And when the sperms are released or sperms are deposited during the same time, during the same duration, the sperm should reach through the fallopian tubes towards the egg. And once they fertilize the egg, if they find the egg in that time, fertilization takes place, embryo is formed, and then patient might conceive in the same cycle. Now I will let you know about different causes of IUI failure. The most important cause being women's age. If your age is below 35, chances of attaining a successful IUI pregnancy in a single cycle is about 15 to 20%. This percentage starts declining the moment we cross more than 37 years of age or more than 40 years of age. Second is the egg quality. Now, better the egg quality, definitely the chances are better that you can achieve a successful pregnancy. Sperm parameters. Sperm have to be actively motile. The motility is a very important parameter of semen sample. Other causes of infertility. If there are any tubal causes, if there is endometriosis, this can lead to a failure in IUI. Another important factor is ovulation problems. So when we stimulate a patient, the follicle has to increase in size. There has to be a dominant follicle formation. Follicle has to increase in size. Once it attains a specific size, it has to rupture. When we give the trigger shot, that follicle has to rupture because it has to release the egg out. Sometimes the follicle is formed but it is empty. There is no egg inside. Or when the egg is released, it is not that great quality, or what I say is poor oocyte quality. So these are the different factors which determine the causes of IUI. Now, you have done some 2-3 IUI cycles already. So when a patient like this comes to us for a further consultation, that now doctor, I have done almost 3 cycles of IUI, and what next? So definitely first thing that I would like to advise is that you have to go and consult a fertility expert and see your fertility consultant that what is the cause of the failures of these, the past IUI failures, and looking at that, they can further advise you what would be your next step. So here in that case, I would advise you to undergo IVF or ICSI, wherein we basically try to overcome all the shortcomings of the IUI, and that definitely has a better chances of success and better percentage of success of achieving a successful pregnancy. So this is about IUI and its causes of failures, and I hope this information was useful to you. Thank you so much.